Hello, mathematicians. Today, we are going to practice a little double-digit addition with dominoes. So the first thing we do is we lay out a couple dominoes, just like this. And now we're going to write down those numbers. So where it says 2 and 2 more, so we're going to put 22, and then 5 on one side and 0, that will be 50. Add your addition sign and draw your line. And now we're going to add these up. You'll go to your ones place. 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So we get 72. And now you can also go over and find the domino that will also represent that 72, like this. Okay, so now we have 2 dominoes. And now we want to draw our line again. Add your plus sign since we are adding. Now we're going to go to the ones place after we write it down. Okay, so we have in the ones place 2 plus 6, and we have 8. In the tens place, we have 1 plus 1 is 2. We have 28. Now we can find the domino that represents that, and we've got it. Okay, so now we have 2 dominoes. Okay, so we're going to get a clean piece of paper, and this time we're going to try one where we may have to regroup. Okay, so lay out your dominoes, put your plus sign, add your line again. Okay, now I see that we have more than 10 in the ones place. So let's write this down and decide what we may have to do. Okay, so we have 36 plus 55. All right, so 6 plus 5 is 11, and since I can't put 10 there, I'm going to add my 1 up high in the tens place and my 1 down. Now add up your 5 and your 3 and you get 8, and 1 more makes 9. Find your domino and voila, we have 91. Now let's see if you can practice some double-digit addition on your own with your own dominoes. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.